Test your English with 40 mixed grammar and vocabulary questions. Ready? Pick the correct option. Answer B, apparent. Which spelling is correct? Answer C, informally. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer D, relatively. Find the best synonym of lively. Answer D, energetic. Which word is a synonym of exact? Answer B, precise. Pick the opposite of shallow. Answer A, deep. What is the opposite of precedence? Answer B, subordination. Choose the plural of ideology. Answer A, ideologies. What is the plural form of basis? Answer B, bases. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C, I'm rather worried about the results. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B, he can't be at home now. I just saw him leave. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D, his ability in public speaking is impressive. What does stand your ground mean? Answer B, resist. What does talk through your hat mean? Answer A, nonsense. Pick the antonym of visible. Answer B, invisible. What is the opposite of distinct? Answer A, vague. What is the opposite of lesson? Answer C, increase. Choose the correct past form of rise. Answer A, rose. What is the past form of quit? Answer B, quit. Which is a synonym of minor? Answer D, small. Pick a synonym of infer. Answer A, deduce. Choose a synonym of focus. Answer D, concentrate. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Affiliation. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C. Boundless. Pick the correct option. Answer A. Manipulate. Which option is correct? Answer D. Fabricate. What is the plural of adversary? Answer C. Adversaries. What is the plural of university? Answer D. Universities. What is the plural of symmetry? Answer A. Symmetries. What is the plural of emergency? Answer C. Emergencies. Fill the gap. Answer B. I will make a cake for her birthday. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. The manager made a very strategic choice regarding staffing. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B. I need to borrow a pen from someone. What does have a downer on mean? Answer C. Dislike. What does touch wood mean? Answer A. Hope luck. What does when hands down mean? Answer B. Win easily. Almost done. Last 4 questions. Choose past form of miss it. Answer D. Miss it. What is the past form of prove? Answer A. Proved. Choose past form of forgive. Answer C. Forgave. What is the past form of swing? Answer B. Swung. Congratulations! Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.